Hello everyone, this is Kanksha Gangapuram and you're watching Hybiz News. Suven Pharmaceuticals on Tuesday has approved the acquisition of Hyderabad-based formulation manufacturer Casper Pharma Private Limited (CPPL) for Rs 155 crore. Suven will purchase 100% of share capital from CPPL's existing investors. Suven didn't provide details like the annual turnover of the acquired asset, citing that CPPL is yet to reach commercially viable operations. CPPL is engaged in manufacturing and supplying solid oral dosage formulations including tablets, capsules and liquid oral products through contractual agreements with customers in the US and other regulated markets. Shares of Suven Pharma rose to 1.59% to close at Rs 612.10 on BSE on Tuesday, while the benchmark Sensex declined 0.72 to the end at 60,176.50 points. Thank you for watching Hybiz News.